the frozen image of a 30 years old female, that of the right thyroid gland in longitudinal section, is showing relatively hypoechoic solid focal mass lesion measuring 2.2 centimeter by 1.1 centimeter, and there is mild vascularity seen within. This is the solid mass with internal hypoechoic area seen, but as such no calcification seen within this solid mass in the right lobe of the thyroid gland. These are two vessels seen within it, otherwise a rim of vessel is seen surrounding the outer surface of this thyroid gland. Now this is in fact the one, this is the transverse section. Here you will see the transverse section of the same, this one. Now this is the same region, but this is in transverse section, measuring approximately same 10 into 10 millimeters, you can say, and this is the longitudinal section. It is almost at the medial end. It is in fact in the middle of the gland. If you see that this is the whole gland, total gland as we see. Right, this is the right thyroid lobe, and it's in the middle of the thyroid, right thyroid gland. So now there is another satellite lesion seen, which is at the superomedial margin. This one. I have magnified it. You see that it is echogenic in the center, and it has a halo around it. It has vascularity, shows vascularity with it. This is the second lesion under study. This one. Here it comes. It measures approximately 5.5 millimeters by 6.6 millimeters, and you see that there is a halo around this solid echogenic mass rather, and now I want to show you another. This is another hypoechoic area, which is in fact the parathyroid gland, and it's not a focal lesion or any pathology. This is the pathology, focal lesion, focal mass lesion, solid. So there are two lesions. One is this one. Here it's rounded. In fact, as I move the probe, it does not change its shape. It's vascular, surrounded by halo, and its echogenicity is almost equal to that of the adjacent thyroid gland. This is the right thyroid gland parenchyma, and this is the focal lesion. See, the echogenicity and ecotexture is almost same. Now this is the parathyroid gland seen in the same view. Now I'm going to show you the left lobe of the thyroid gland, and in longitudinal section at its lateral end we see a multiseptatic lesion. This is the multiseptatic lesion, measuring approximately 9.2 into 5.0 millimeter. There is no calcification in this, especially in this focal mycelium. It is solid, no posterior wall enhancement, has internal cystic areas, and it is at the lateral margin of the gland. This is the thin rim of the thyroid tissue surrounding this focalium. Okay, now if you see it extends medially as well. Now this is the part that is in the medial, at the medial margin of the thyroid lobe, but if you see that this is extending inferiorly. Now as I move the probe inferiorly, I get another one. Yeah. Now this is a calcification within it. It may, in total, it measures approximately 16.6 millimeter by 8.5 millimeter, and it's both cystic and it's in fact a solid mass with internal echogenic with internal cystic areas. What about the vascularity? It is vascular. See. So again, not to confuse these two areas with of any significance. These are the parathyroid glands. This is the common carotid artery. Common carotid artery. Longitudinal. This is the longitudinal section of the left lobe of the thyroid gland, and we can see the mass, vascular mass. So this is the isthmus. Isthmus is normal, and this is the transverse view of the same. This is our case study of the day. Now this vessel is the common carotid artery, and here is the internal jugular vein in transverse section. Similarly, here is the common carotid artery. So these are the cartilages, cartilages, whereas this is air, tracheal air also seen. Now this is a multinodular goiter. Thank you very much.